Hello and welcome back to Team Winegarden's video blog. I'm Erik Winegarden with National Realty Guild. Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, if you're first off, if you're looking to buy a new home, click on that home search tab below. If you're looking to sell a home or looking at values, click on that home value tab below. All right, today we are going to go over what a question that I get more frequently than you would think. It is what to do when filling out a seller disclosure. Okay, so whenever you sell a home, you have to do what's called a disclosure, which is basically telling everything about the house, okay, that you factually know. Okay, now I get a lot of questions as to, what should I fill out, what shouldn't I fill out. Things like, I had a crack in my foundation 20 years ago, it hasn't moved, do I need to disclose that? Things like that. I had a furnace that got fixed, 2 years ago and haven't had any problems with that. I had a roof leak, 3 years ago and got it fixed up. So here's what happens with these disclosures. Okay, these disclosures that are filled out, okay, are sent over to the buyer that is going to be purchasing your home for them to go through so that they understand what is the history of the home and things that they may need to look out for in the future. Okay, so what we want to do when you're filling out these disclosures, if there's any doubt, guys, if there's any doubt when you're filling out these disclosures, disclose it. Right? I mean, the worst thing that can happen is that you don't disclose it, and then something does unfortunately end up happening once the buyer ends up purchasing the home and living there. At that point can become an issue. So if there's any doubt whatsoever, I always say let's disclose it and let them know. All right. If there's any questions about the buying or selling process, any questions on disclosure, let me know how we can be of service. Thanks again, and check us out on Team Winegarden's video blog at teamwinegarden.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.